Hi, my name's Troy Ironmonger. I'm an AJAC instructor, and today we're talking manufacturing safety 101. In today's video, we're going to talk about personal safety, safety in the shop and in the classroom. We're going to talk about personal protective equipment, otherwise known as PPE, and we're also going to talk about emergency preparedness. Let's start with personal safety. Your attire and your behavior are your first line of defense. Always wear closed-toed shoes. Obviously, no sandals, flip-flops, or open footwear. Pants and shirts should fit well. Avoid loose clothing that can get caught in machines. Remove jewelry. Chains, watches, rings, and bracelets can be dangerous. Headphones, corded ones, are always banned. Wireless devices are sometimes allowed depending on the shop, but it's best to limit distractions. Let's talk about your hair and your nails. Tie back long hair to prevent it from getting caught in rotating equipment. And keep your fingernails short for safety, because we don't want to be hitting any random buttons. Gloves. Gloves can protect your hands while handling materials, but never wear gloves on a lathe, mill, or a pedestal grinder, or any other machinery that has rotating equipment. They can get caught in the machinery. Your safety gear and your personal habits are your first line of defense. Treat them seriously. Next, let's talk about safety in the shop and the classroom. A safe environment starts with a clean, organized workspace. First, let's start off with our environment. Keep the shop swept and well lit, and each workstation should have a dedicated working area. We're going to avoid running power cords across walkways. No standing water or oil spills. If you see any, clean it up or report it immediately. Always check for leaking fluids from machines like oil or coolant and report them. Next, let's talk about material handling. Lift heavy materials safely to prevent back injuries. Use proper techniques or mechanical assistance. Food and drink should not be allowed in the shop space. No open food in the shop because contaminated hands can cause injury or accidents. Sealed drinks like water or coffee are okay. Machine maintenance and communication. If a machine is damaged or missing parts, report it immediately. Never use a machine that isn't fully functional. Follow lockout tagout procedures during maintenance. This is essential for your safety and your coworkers' safety. Lockout tagout in manufacturing is a safety procedure used to ensure that machines and equipment are completely shut off and cannot be started up again before maintenance, cleaning, or repair work is complete. Next, let's talk about personal protective equipment, otherwise known as PPE. PPE is designed to protect you from hazards in the workplace. PPE is critical. Required PPE may include safety glasses to protect your eyes, hearing protection to protect your ears in noisy areas, closed-toed shoes and hard hats where required, guards or shields in place on machines, and respiratory protection like masks, respirators, or ventilated welding hood. PPE only works if you wear it continuously. Don't skip it. It saves lives. Next, let's talk about emergency preparedness. Emergencies can happen at any time, so being prepared is key. First, know your environment. Locate the first aid station and know standard first aid procedures for injuries. Identify nearest medical facilities. Ensure your shop has chemical eye wash or body wash stations and spill response kits. Risk assessment. Identify hazards, whether natural, technological, or human caused. Evaluate how risks could affect your team, your customers, or even your operations. Having an emergency action plan in place, knowing evacuation routes, shelter-in-place procedures, contact numbers, and emergency roles. The goals for emergency preparedness: protect life and minimize injury, preserve property and critical infrastructure, comply with OSHA and other regulations, and foster a culture of safety and readiness. Safety starts with you, your choices, your habits, and your attention to detail. Follow proper attire guidelines, respect your environment, use PPE, and be prepared for emergencies. Together, we can create a safe, productive, and compliant workplace. Safety is everyone's responsibility. Stay alert, stay prepared, and stay safe.